Meet the 2023 Bentley Bentayga Extended Wheelbase, which adds 7.1 inches between the axles to enable stellar rear legroom. The substantial growth has stretched the wheelbase to 125 inches, resulting in an overall length of 209.5 inches. With all the extra growth in the rear door, the Bentayga EWB offers full-size limousine levels of legroom for people stretching in the back. Speaking of which, the elongated SUV gains an airline seat feature with the most advanced seat ever fitted to a car. Adjustable in no fewer than 22 ways, the rear seat can recline to 40 degrees when the relax mode is activated. Doing so also deploys a leather-wrapped footrest from the back of the front passenger seat, which is electrically pushed forward to free up even more legroom. Alternatively, switching on business mode moves the seat to an upright position for when you want to comfortably do some work while on the go. Then there's the high-tech climate control system. It can automatically change the settings based on the occupant's temperature and the level of humidity in the back. In addition, pressure across the seat surface is analyzed to make automatic postural adjustments. There are a whopping 177 pressure changes that can be applied across 6 independent pressure zones over a 3-hour interval. Taking into consideration all the added features and body changes, Bentley mentions it had to engineer more than 2,500 new parts. Some more necessary for the rear wheel steering, which has reduced the turning circle by 7% compared to the normal Bentayga despite the added length. Available in 4 and 5 seat configurations together with a new 4+1 layout, the Bentayga EWB is powered by the 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine producing 542 horsepower and 568 pounds-foot of torque. It runs to 62 miles per hour in 4.6 seconds and maxes out at 180 miles per hour. Bentley isn't saying anything about offering the majestic W12 for its extra-long SUV. Customer deliveries will commence in the fourth quarter of the year, but only in certain markets,